Since the outbreak of COVID-19, more and more people are starting to wear face masks. As you know, these come in a range of different types and styles. However, you must use them in a correct way to be effective. Whilst making sure that you have applied it correctly as covered in a separate video, it has to be the right way round, otherwise it will not work as well. So make sure it's the right way round and not inside out. Do not keep it hanging under your chin or around your neck, and obviously make sure it covers both your mouth and your nose. Once applied, do not touch the mask unless you're removing it, and should you touch it, it then becomes a harbour for infection. Never share masks and always dispose of the mask properly after use. Make sure that you're not using an old mask. Properly inspect the mask before putting it on, and finally, this is the one that's often forgotten about, remember to store new masks in a clean, dry place so they don't become contaminated before you even put one on. So remember that when you're using it, make sure it's properly pressed against your mouth and nose, and remember that after its use, it's contaminated. Don't leave it on one side where someone can pick it up and put it on. These masks should not be the only measure you take in terms of infection control. Remember to regularly wash your hands and be aware of other risks of spreading infection or diseases.